Good morning. How's it going? Today we're cooking chicken salad. Not chicken salad like you think, but like a salad with grilled chicken. So I'm going to show you how to do it. The wife just told me that the proper term is a grilled chicken salad, but we're not going to grill it. I'm just going to cook it on a pan on the stove. This already is awful. So now I'm going to show you some ingredients that you're going to want for your grilled chicken salad. Pretty straightforward. Bam. 1 thin sliced breast of chicken, some carrots, broccoli, and green leaf lettuce. Now, of course, you can use any kind of vegetables that you want. I just chose these because this is what I have in my fridge at the time, and I need to make some lunch, so let's get cooking. Step 1, you're going to want to turn this on. All right, get that fire going. I like to use a little extra virgin olive oil here, just a little bit in the pan, just a little bit flavor for the chicken. A little salt and pepper, and literally that is it. You don't want anything else, just because you don't want to get it too fatty. You want to make this a light meal. You want it to feel good in your tummy. You know, you want to feel good after you eat lunch. You don't want to feel tired. So, yeah, there you go. You also want to make sure that the pan is hot before you put the oil in, because if you put the oil in while the pan is heating up, you're going to burn the oil. You don't want burned oil. What's up? Meow. Bye. Olive oil going in. All right, you just want a little bit here. I'll show you. Just a little bit. Ooh, yeah, there we go. Just a little bit, okay? Get that going around in your pan. And then we're gonna put the chicken in. Oh yeah. See that sizzle? That means you got a nice hot pan. A little salt, a little pepper. Come on, pepper. There we go. All right, we're gonna let that sear till it's a nice golden brown. And that's when you know it's kind of cooked through. Also, another tip to figure out if your chicken's cooked through, you'll start seeing like this white goo start coming out of the chicken. That's when you know the chicken is cooked through, so you can take it off and you can cut it up. But man, it's already starting to smell good. So while this is cooking, I'm gonna chop up some lettuce. All right, now make sure you rinse off your lettuce before you chop it up, because it's been sitting in a grocery store and you don't know who or what has been in that lettuce. So just rinse it off, cold water, shake it out. Oh wow, that's a lot of lettuce. Look at it all. It's just so much. Plenty of carrots for your salad. They're good for your vision and other things. No, I dropped a carrot. Alright, now we got some broccoli. We're gonna chop up some broccoli. Oh yeah, baby, we're getting healthy today. Bam! Get all those veggies, put them in your salad. I think we need to check on the... I gotta get a better setup. I gotta check on the chicken. All right, look at that. Oh, the chicken is looking good. With this, oh yeah, look at that golden brown. Smells delicious. Really been enjoying this new little segment we're doing with some cooking and, you know, cooking around the house. Sorry, gotta get some lettuce. Fell on the floor. Just throw that in the sink. Yeah. Starting to eat healthier, you know, be a little, you know, slim down a little bit, feel better about myself. Grilled chicken salad doesn't get much easier than this. I'm about to take this chicken off and we'll cut it up. So when you're done cooking your chicken, make sure you let it rest for a little bit. All right, you don't want to cut it right away or else you'll let all the juices out. So let that sit for a minute and then you can get to chopping it up. All right, so you want to give your salad a little toss here. Just to mix the veggies, and then yeah, you're good. All right, let's chop up that chicken. All right, so you're gonna take your chicken, you're gonna take it this horizontal way, and you're gonna cut across like this. All right, let's check it out. All right, look at that. And look at how good and moist that is in there. With that steam. Yeah, that's a great piece of cooked chicken right there. It's gonna be delicious. So once you're done cutting the chicken, just kind of let it sit. You don't want to put piping hot chicken into the lettuce, or the lettuce will wilt and it just will look gross. And oh my gosh, I'm talking about looking gross. Quarantine beard is. What are you laughing at? What a goofball. Quarantine beard is
you're the goofball.
Getting thick.
I'm the angel.
All right, I think that's it. Choose your favorite dressing, and away you go. There you have it. Grilled chicken salad. I'm gonna pop this into the fridge, and then I'm gonna take it to work with me. Well, there you have it. Grilled chicken salad. Should be good. All right, I'm gonna get ready for work, and we'll see you guys next time. Thanks for watching, and tell your friends to subscribe. I don't know why I'm talking like that. Cool. Well, we'll see you guys later. Bye. Bye.